Hey YouTube, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and I have an announcement that I've never done before on my YouTube channel in like the 9.5 years that I've been on YouTube. So I have over 1,200 videos, I think even 1,300 videos on YouTube, and I've spent the last 9.5 years building up my YouTube channel. And there was times where I was posting 5 days a week and 7 days a week, and lately it's been 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'm taking a little bit of a break, all right? I'm gonna come back on September 5th, which is Wednesday. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. We're actually doing some upgrades to the channel, like we're redoing my channel banner, my thumbnails. We're actually doing a really in-depth, deep dive into my content to try to bring better content for you guys, and just to keep everyone entertained and to keep everyone aligned with what I'm doing. So I just wanna share this with you guys. It means the world to me that you've been following along all this time. I'm trying all sorts of funny different types of videos. I mean, I'm doing haircut videos with machetes coming up. I mean, all sorts of crazy stuff. And I just wanted to say, I need a break. I'm losing my hair over this. I'm losing my hair over YouTube. You believe it or not? But anyway, guys, thank you for support. Keep watching the videos. I have loads and loads of videos. And that's it. So I will be back on September 5th. And I'll see you all then.